Hello everyone again. It's definitely been a little minute here. Um, I am for many of you guys who don't know me. My name is Raciela Quintoniao, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the top, and just to kind of get the channel going and share it out there to the YouTube world and everything like that. So, um, yeah, today the topic of this discussion will I'm gonna be actually um discussing spirit animals and what spirit animals are of that nature. And I have a surprise for you guys at the end too, so stay tuned. And like I said, many of you who haven't subscribed already, hay que darle al botón un clic, hay que dar un clic al botón que dice suscribir. Hay que suscribir para que pudimos ser capaz de compartir entre una burda de las personas sobre el canal de YouTube mundial, para que sepa. Esa tiene que claro que sería una cosa buena. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, people, I'm going to start off with the cards. I'm going to actually be starting with. So I have my majestic fairy cards, which I'm gonna be using today. I'm going to also be using the. I am going to also be using the golden future cards oracle, and I'm also going to be using Naipe, and I'm also going to be using McCormick. Excuse, I don't know why they say McCormick. Excuse me, Maverick. Maverick. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna get going right now. I'm gonna get started right now, and I want to use these first. All right. Here we go. One and a two and a two. But before I actually get started, I'm gonna start by a little warm up chant. Okay. I'm not prepared for that. But alright, here we go. One, two, three, four, and five. Holy Spirit, we invite you into the room today. And I ask God that you would give me clarity on actually what it is that the collective needs to know. Alright, alright. So, Holy Spirit, I'd like for you to tell me what it is that the collective needs to know. Someone here on in the world needs to know something. I pray, Holy Spirit, dear Lord, give me the clarity that the person needs to know. First one that dropped, the unicorn. Alright. I'm seeing here for this card, someone is like rising again. But I'm also seeing that this card also represents, due to the magic, I'm seeing like this is a person who manifests, or sometimes some has something to do with like manifestation, things of that nature. Someone who manifests, who's either coming into like abundance, financial stability, or abundance. And I'm also saying like this person could be a funny person, whoever's watching could be a funny, like a hilarious person is what I'm actually picking up on this card right here. So I'm going to go for the next one. But on 1 second, please. I'm gonna go with fairy tarot. Holy Spirit, give me clarity on what it is that the person needs to know. Yeah. Holy Spirit, give me clarity. What is it that the person that is watching needs to know for the collective? What is it that the collective needs to know? Nine of Cups. So, so what I'm picking up actually here on this card here, what I'm actually picking up is so this person is coming back into like I'm seeing a person had a car with the motor. So somebody who here is watching, I am picking up that someone had like a motor issue. I'm picking up like a motor issue with the car, but however, for them to actually be back on, and that is also I'm seeing like there was a bit of a struggle at once upon a time, because you guys could see like here I'm seeing that they're getting back basically on their feet. They're finally getting to a stable place with the motor, and possibly it looks like it's going to work out good for them when it comes to the vehicle situation. And this could also be someone purchasing a new vehicle as well. I'm gonna do one more for the fairy reading. Holy Spirit, um, give me clarity on what is it that the collective needs to know. Holy Spirit, give me clarity. Holy Spirit, give me clarity. Holy Spirit, what is it that the collective needs to know today? Give me clarity. Three of Cups. The Three of Cups. Are we seeing this? I don't know, but for some reason with this card here with the Three of Cups, I'm actually picking up something about a golden. I don't like what is the name like I'm kind of like picking up on this energy of the I don't know, like for some reason I'm seeing something about roller skating. Like maybe someone is like maybe could be planning a roller skating a party, a celebration. So yeah, I'm seeing this like this roller rink celebration. This could be like a family get together, or you could be possibly invited to like it's an activity to where it's multiple people, so it's definitely going to be like a gathering of multiple people or a few people or so, but it's dealing with I am definitely seeing that here for someone that is watching. Um, and I feel like this will probably be presented as like an offer for someone, as an invitation of someone being invited at roller skates or some type of event dealing with roller skating. And this will be with people I do believe that you are comfortable with, the people that are like basically like what is the word? People that you're familiar with, or just could be this someone that you know have the solid relationship, friendship type of bond, that type of thing. Something I would definitely say something, so someone that you can trust basically. All right, here we are with that. And for the last one, I just want to I'm gonna start on the Maverick cards to this. Alright, we're gonna start on this. Alright. Holy Spirit, give me clarity. Holy Spirit. For what is this that the person, that the collective needs to know today? Concern. Holy Spirit, give me clarity. Give me clarity, Holy Spirit. And what is it that the collective needs to know today? What is it that the collective needs to know today? Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit. What is it that the collective needs to know that is urgent? What message do you have from the collective to the Holy Spirit? What message do you have for the collective? Message do you have to the people that are message do you have? Okay, we have 10 of hearts. Okay, I don't know. For some reason, I'm seeing this card showing me in my vision here as like I'm seeing, as I'm looking at the card, I'm actually seeing someone with dreads with a bun or something like that. The bun is kind of like wrapped up like that. It's like on the top of the person's head. So like I'm kind of like seeing that. I was seeing like maybe someone was choking on popcorn or something like that. I don't know if that it's just take it how it resonates. If this message is not just, if it didn't happen to you, that doesn't mean that this message is for you. Apparently, each message is not just for one person. You know what I mean? So when I say the collective, it actually represents many individuals or a certain amount of people who are watching, or whoever it is for. Actually, they know who I will be talking about. You know. So yeah, I'm seeing somebody choking on popcorn or something like that, or maybe they did that. It could have been a past. thing. If you can't remember right now, it could be to something that happened in the past, but right now that is what I am seeing. And I said it's showing me that the person was laughing too much. I'm seeing like there was someone laughing too much, and then the popcorn maybe like souped and got stuck there, something like that. This is what I'm seeing. But they were laughing too much. That is what happened. But I do feel like the person is alive. They're okay. So thank God. All right. So that is what we have right now. But I'm gonna start on this next thing that I want to discuss. Okay, so you guys, as I was saying, that I want to talk about spirit animals, okay, and a little bit about that. It is basically like you see, of course, when we understand that what animals represent and why should we have them, then it makes a whole lot difference, and it makes a whole lot of different understanding, and it opens up an understanding to actually clear the doubts towards what basically what curiosity that we have about these creatures and animals and things like that. I want to first start off by talking about the ego. What the associations, what spiritual meaning and aspect does the ego have to do or to offer human being or human understanding? So basically, like I would say, basically, so because of the eagle's ability to actually fly many many feet above solid ground, um, so basically, like when it comes to that, they represent a numerous of things such as abundance, wealth, good luck. Some believe, and they also have a spiritual connection between realms, between the actual living realm and also the other spiritual aspect. So as the physical and the spiritual realm. Some even actually say that it represents fertility, things of that nature. Now, the next one that I want to basically pinpoint and talk about and discuss is the frog. Okay, so okay, being that because of the ability that the frog has to actually transform from a tadpole into an actual frog, it actually a frog spiritual meaning would actually be because it represents, you know what I mean, like it represents the ability of transformation. Also, frogs represent good luck, abundance, um things of that nature. um and the last but not least, I definitely want to speak on the cats. So cats, as we know that cats, not everybody looks at that the same way. I know a lot of people hear myths and different things like that. So when it comes to like black cats and it, but I'm just speaking for cats in general. Like so basically like so what the thing about cats, so as we know, they have the ability, they are very spiritual, they bring about good luck, they also bring about the spiritual connection and protection as well. Having a cat in the home can also help purify, and in a lot of ways, they can actually purify like one's energy or things. And they also have the ability to, or psychic ability, which enhances an individual who happens to actually have a psychic gift or things like that. They're actually able to deeply connect with God, and which is known as the divine, or they're able to absorb emotion and feeling and things like that of that nature. As I said, the cats are they have the ability to also sense sickness and foresee and have further deeper insights is what I am actually trying to pinpoint and try to get you guys to understand. Okay, so yeah, and they represent fertility as well. Cats, they represent good luck, abundance. And some do actually believe that that because certain cats tend to purr, so when they start to make that vibration sound, it is actually something that they're picking up in the spirit as they're recharging. And then another thing about it, cats also represent freedom, because they also show us in a part about us. They show us basically, and it's like a self reflection of ourself. It's actually, cats normally tend to come to you when they want to, they leave when they want to. Sometimes they'll come up to you when they're ready. Kind of just like a butterfly. Sometimes it tends to just land up on you. Sometimes you can chase it, chase it, chase it. It can fly it can fly away. But at the end of the day, once to, of course, the cat comes when it wants to, because it is more about that independence, and it also teaches us how to actually be independent and things like that of that nature. All right, I hope I made sense with that. Hold for 1 second. I actually have something special to show you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, again, I want to use this moment to actually present something. This is Nala. I am Trent. I'm going to use this what are they called, teleport, or basically use the ability to actually to do something. I am going to actually connect with her in spirit to see what her spirit has to say. So her energy is telling me through the divine, I'm getting a signal. She's telling me in her spirit that someone is having issues with college. I am seeing something about college issues. I'm hearing from her spirit to my spirit. I'm hearing that someone has some type of college issues going on and some type of sadness going on. That is what her energy is giving me. Um, what else? Holy Spirit. I'm hearing something about a 1 bedroom apartment. I'm hearing something about maybe a lot of fights going on. Her spirit is telling me that there's something going on with something about something like that. Um, let's see what else I can pick up. She's shitting all over me. This like, let it snow for Christmas, honey. Okay, 1 second. I'm hearing stuck in financial rut, somebody, and they find something about a motorcycle or something like that. That is all I have for right now. I hope you guys learn something from that. Until the next time. Ciao.